Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be creating a sunflower scarecrow, so stay tuned and let me know what you guys think. I very simply started with foundation and now I'm gonna do contour, and I'm going pretty heavy because it is a Halloween look. I always love to go really dramatic with everything. Okay, so for the rest of the video, I decided I should just record it in time lapse so that you guys can see my process without it messing with my process. So here it is. I'm taking a beauty blender and blending out my cream contour. I used Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick, and now I'm just using a beauty blender very carefully around the edges of my hair so that I do not get any foundation or contour on it. Now I'm applying a little bit of Too Faced concealer, Born This Way. I love the concealer. I'm taking a little bit of more cream contour and adjusting that to the finish. Moving on to blush, I'm using a really fleshy tone, almost orangey shade to warm up my cheeks. For my eyes, I'm taking Plouise eyeshadow base, and I'm using that as a primer for my eyes, as well as to cover my eyebrow for the sunflower side. Now for the glam side, we're going to do a little bit more precise carving, and I'm going to go ahead and set it with a little bit of brightening powder. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of bright eyeshadow and place it in my tear duct. I took a little bit of translucent powder and set my face so that we can have a more matte and sculpted look. Moving on to eyeshadow, I'm taking some really warm tones and putting them in my crease to create a nice warm look. I'm also going to take some dark brown shades and add it to my outer crease so that it creates some nice contrast. I even added a little bit of black eyeshadow. Next, I took a heavy black eye pencil and placed it around my eye. This is the sunflower side I'm working on, so it's going to be very smoky. I also incorporated that into the glam side, and of course I added some heavy glitter. I believe this is antique gold loose glitter from MAC. I went ahead and filled in my brow from the glam side, and now I'm back to the sunflower side, and I'm creating the sunflower outline, if you will, with white Chromacake paint. This is a white paint, and I absolutely love using this for my Halloween looks because you can adjust the color using eyeshadows and it will make them look very bright and pigmented, almost as if they were paint themselves. I completely forgot to record the sunflower shading, but here it is. I just added a bunch of orange and yellow eyeshadows. And now I'm coloring in the leaves. I'm taking in some dark greens, some light greens, and just all shades of greens to give it a lot of dimension. Okay, so once you have your colors where you want them, you just want to focus on blending and creating as much dimension as you can. After that, we're going to add some details to the leaves, add those nice dark shades in the center to create outlines and ridges and make it more realistic. I went ahead and added some really dark brown shadow to the center and around my eye. This is going to be the center of our flower, if you will. And I'm just taking a small pencil brush and buffing out the outer edges so that I make sure it's nice and blended into that orange shade we placed. Next, it's detail time. So we're going to take a black liquid liner. This is Sephora's black liquid liner, not waterproof. And I'm just going around and outlining my sunflower so that it's going to give us as much detail as possible. Once you've outlined as much as you can and everything looks perfect, we're going to take a red lipstick and we're going to go ahead and outline it and make it nice and bright. This is Feel So Grand from MAC Cosmetics, and I believe I use Beat Lip Liner. Once you have your perfect bright red lip, we're going to go back to that liquid liner and we're going to start placing our lines from our mouth. I went ahead and did 2 straight lines going from the outer parts of our mouth to our ears. And then I'm placing a straight line right down the middle of my lips. And I'm going to use that as a guide to place my other 2 lines on the sides of my mouth. And for final touch, we're going to go ahead and add some balm lashes. These are your lashes in style Nala. These are super beautiful, and I love how they take this look to a whole nother level. Now I'm going back in with my white paint that I used in the beginning, and I'm adding little highlights around my drawing to make it look even more dimensional, just by adding some highlights and low lights. Alright guys, and this wraps up this Sunflower Scarecrow look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you recreate it, please tag me on my social media. I would love to see them. Happy Halloween!